Greetings, this is Elizabeth Sanchez, Biology 225. Today is April 12th, and today we are going to be doing the Kirby Bauer test. Now, the purpose of this test is to see if our two samples, which is our bacitracin and our tetracycline, are effective in inhibiting the growth of unknown organism that we have created in our broth. So, I have created my workplace. I have my alcohol bowl here. I have my candle, my forceps, and I have my two sample plates, which I have labeled. I've decided to do it in a divided by 3, which bacitracin, tetracycline, and we'll also be doing a blank disc. So we are set up, we are ready to go, and let's get started. Alrighty, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I am going to take my broth and I'm just going to take the lid off and pass it through the flame. Take my cotton swab and I'm just going to dip it in and then kind of squish the side so we have enough but not too much. I'm going to go ahead and reflame that and close it. Now, I'm going to take my first Petri dish here. What I'm going to do is just lift ever so slightly and glide that across. I'm going to turn it and just glide it across again. We'll do one more time and just ever so gently making sure that we get all the spots for that one. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, make sure that my forceps are disinfected. So I dropped it in alcohol. I'm just going to pass that over the flame. Okay, so the first sample I'm going to take is going to be my tetracycline sample. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab one of those and set that right on top, making sure that it's placed on there good. Okay, I want to dip that, tap it, pass it through the flame again. Okay, the second one I want to do is going to be our bacitracin sample. So I'm going to go in there, I'm going to take that little disc there. Whoops. Take the disc, okay, and place that right on there, making sure it's on there, and don't push too hard. Okay, and one time more, pass that through the flame, and the next thing I'm going to do is take my blank disc and go ahead and grab that blank disc. And set that right on my blank section. Okay, so our first one is completed. Now I'm just going to go ahead and repeat that process one more time. So again, I'll take my broth, making sure it's nice and mixed. And go ahead and take that cap off, flame the mouth, take my cotton swab and get in there. Okay, making sure we kind of squeeze the sides a bit. We're going to flame that one more time and close. Okay, now I'm going to take my Petri dish and rub that out nice. Turn it one more time. Do it again, making sure we get all the spots. Turn it again. And just to make sure, there we go. Okay, so then we're going to go ahead and take our forceps and repeat that process once again. Let that flame out. The first thing I want to do is I'll take my tetracycline. Go ahead and get that sample. Open up and put it right on there. Okay. One more time. Flame it. Kind of let it flame out. The next one we're going to do is our bacitracin. Okay. We're going to grab our disc. Set that on there nice and gentle. And one more. Okay, let that flame out. Grab our blank. Go ahead and get that disc and place it right on our blank section. All right, so now we have our 2 prepared Petri dishes, and these are ready to go into incubation. That's all. Thank you.